Eucalyptus, the herbal superstar for a cleaner, fresher, healthier home. If there's one herb that deserves a standing ovation for its cleaning prowess, it's eucalyptus. You might know it as the koala's favorite snack, but this aromatic powerhouse is so much more than a tree-hugging cliché. With its crisp, camphor-like scent and a laundry list of natural benefits, eucalyptus can transform your home into a dust-free, grime-free, fresh air haven, without the harsh chemicals or endless scrubbing that steal your spare time. Who likes cleaning? Not me. But with eucalyptus in your corner, you'll spend less time chasing dirt and more time enjoying a spotless space that feels alive. Let's unpack the top benefits of eucalyptus for cleaning and why it's a must-have in your natural home care toolkit. From banishing impurities to cutting cleaning time, this herb is here to save the day and your sanity. 1. Purifies the air like a natural filter. Benefit: eucalyptus is a rock star at clearing the air of impurities, think dust, allergens, and funky odors that make your home feel stale. Its essential oils, especially eucalyptol, aka 1,8-cineol, have antimicrobial properties that knock out bacteria and viruses floating around. How it helps cleaning: less gunk in the air means less dust settling on your furniture, floors, and shelves. It's like giving your home a breath of fresh air that keeps mess at bay. How to use it: steam blast. Add a handful of fresh eucalyptus leaves, or 10 drops of essential oil, to a pot of boiling water. Let the steam waft through your space. It'll trap airborne particles and leave a clean, crisp scent. Room spray. Mix 10 drops eucalyptus oil with 1 cup water and a splash of witch hazel in a spray bottle. Mist curtains, upholstery, or open air to purify and refresh. Time saver. Cleaner air equals less dusting. Kick back instead of wiping down every surface twice a week. 2. Fights germs and grime naturally. Benefit: eucalyptus doesn't mess around when it comes to germs. Its antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral powers make it a heavy hitter against the microbes that lurk on countertops, sinks, or bathroom tiles. Plus, it cuts through greasy grime without synthetic solvents. How it helps cleaning: you get a spotless home without bleach or ammonia, no toxic fumes, no irritated skin, just pure herbal muscle. How to use it: surface cleaner. Combine 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, and 15 drops eucalyptus oil in a spray bottle. Spritz on kitchen counters, bathroom fixtures, or doorknobs. Wipe with a cloth for a germ-free shine. Grime buster. Rub a few drops of eucalyptus oil on a damp sponge to tackle sticky stove splatters or soap scum. It dissolves mess fast. Time saver. 1 swipe kills germs and cleans. No need for multiple products or rinse-repeat cycles. 3. Repels pests that bring dirt indoors. Benefit: that sharp, minty scent eucalyptus gives off? Bugs hate it. Spiders, ants, flies, and even dust might steer clear, which means less dirt and debris tracked into your home by creepy crawlies. How it helps cleaning: fewer pests equal less mess to sweep up. No more cobwebs in corners or ant trails on floors. It's prevention that saves you from extra chores. How to use it: bug barrier. Soak cotton balls with eucalyptus oil and tuck them near windows, doors, or baseboards. Or sprinkle dried leaves on your doormat. Pests won't cross the line. Mattress refresh. Add 5 drops to a cup of baking soda. Sprinkle on your bed. Let sit for an hour, then vacuum. Bye-bye dust mites. Hello fresh sleep zone. Time saver. Stop dirt at the source. No more emergency spiderweb hunts stealing your afternoon. 4. Cuts through odors without masking them. Benefit: unlike synthetic air fresheners that just slap a fake floral scent over stinks, eucalyptus neutralizes odors at their root. It's decongestant, like aroma clears out musty, smoky, or pet-related smells, leaving your home genuinely fresh. How it helps cleaning: a cleaner-smelling home feels spotless without extra effort. No need to scrub harder to chase lingering whiffs. How to use it: trash can trick. Drop a few eucalyptus leaves or a cotton pad with oil into the bottom of your bin. Odors vanish before they start. Carpet deodorizer. Mix dried eucalyptus with baking soda, sprinkle on rugs, wait 15 minutes, then vacuum. Smells gone, dust lifted. Time saver. Fresh air in minutes, no boiling pots of potpourri or endless candle burning sessions. 5. Boosts your mood while you clean. Benefit. Eucalyptus isn't just good for your home, it's good for you. Its invigorating scent lifts your spirits, clears mental fog, and makes the chore of cleaning feel less like a punishment. Studies even suggest it can reduce stress. Take that, grime. How it helps cleaning. When you're not dreading the task, you move faster and fuss less. A happier you means a quicker, more efficient clean. How to use it. Diffuser delight. Run a diffuser with eucalyptus oil while you tidy, your home and your mood get a lift. Cleaning companion. Dab a drop on a cloth and keep it nearby as you work, inhale the freshness and power through. Time saver. A better vibe cuts procrastination, cleaning's done before you can say, I'll do it tomorrow. Why eucalyptus stands out. Eucalyptus isn't your average herb, it's a cleaning triple threat with science to back it up. Its eucalyptol content, up to 70% in some species like Eucalyptus globulus, is a natural disinfectant, pest repellent, and air purifier rolled into one. Unlike chemical cleaners that leave residues or irritate your lungs, eucalyptus works with your body and the environment. It's sustainable, too. Grow a plant, snag leaves from a farmer's market, or buy oil from small producers. Cheap, effective, and eco-friendly, what's not to love? And the time factor? Eucalyptus prevents mess before it piles up, less dust from clean air, fewer bugs dragging in dirt, no odor cover-ups needed. You're not just cleaning, you're setting up a system that keeps your home spotless with minimal effort. How to bring eucalyptus into your cleaning routine. Ready to let this herbal hero take over? Here's how to start. Source it. Grow a eucalyptus plant indoors, try eucalyptus gunny for smaller spaces, buy fresh sprigs from a market, or grab pure essential oil, check for organic to skip additives. Mix it up. Start with the surface spray or steam method, tweak with lemon or lavender if you're feeling fancy. Keep it handy. Store your eucalyptus cleaner in a labeled bottle by the sink, grab and go when spills strike. Experiment. Test it on one room first. Watch how fast it transforms the vibe and cuts your to-do list. No green thumb? No problem, dried leaves or a $5 bottle of oil go a long way. The bottom line. Eucalyptus is your ticket to a cleaner, fresher, happier home, naturally. It purifies air, fights germs, repels pests, banishes odors, and even cheers you up while you tackle chores. No toxic sprays, no hours lost to scrubbing, just a hard-working herb that keeps dust, grime, and impurities out so you can reclaim your spare time. Cleaning's still not my favorite, but with eucalyptus, it's quick, easy, and smells like a forest dream. So, skip the chemical aisle and let eucalyptus work its magic. Your home will thank you, your lungs will thank you, and your calendar will thank you, because who's got time for endless chores? Not us.